Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this YouTube tutorial in 2019 we're gonna learn how you can add your Facebook account link on your YouTube channel in the channel art right here. Okay, so to do this, just log into your account and go to your channel. You can just click on your logo in the top right corner, click on your channel, and this will take you to this place. Okay, then click on customize channel right here. Then go to your YouTube channel art, click on this edit button, click on edit links, go down to links. So here we have custom links, click on add new link. So we can name this Facebook, like that. And then we need to have the URL to your Facebook account. So just go to Facebook and then click on your username right here. And as you can see, we now have the URL of my username. So facebook.com Andreas Waatz. So just copy this URL to your Facebook account. Go back to YouTube and paste it right here. Click on done. So now we see Facebook right here in our about page, but also right here in the YouTube channel art. Okay, as you can see, we only have text in the first one, and in the other ones we only gonna see the icon. And if you want to change the order, if you want to have Facebook first with the text, you need to go and click on edit links. And if you want to change the position, you need to delete this one and just add a new one with Instagram, and add the link to Instagram. Click on done, like that, and now we have Facebook in the first place. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add your Facebook account link to your YouTube channel art in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want, you can leave a comment below if this worked or not. You can also subscribe to my channel for more of these videos right here. You can also click on the notification bell to get my updates directly. Alright, and also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.